Hey, welcome to Trailvia. If you've ever flown and felt your stomach drop during turbulence, you're not alone. I'm here to break down why those bumpy flights are becoming more common, and what that means for your next trip. So, what actually happens when a plane hits turbulence? Most of the time, it's just a little shake. Maybe your coffee spills or you're stuck in your seat for a bit. But occasionally, things get rough. Overhead bins can pop open, and if you're not buckled up, you might get tossed around. It's not just uncomfortable for passengers. Turbulence means more stress on the plane itself, leading to extra maintenance and costing the airline industry hundreds of millions every year. But here's the kicker. One specific type, called clear air turbulence, is happening more often. According to a 2023 study from the University of Reading, severe clear air turbulence has jumped by 55% since 1979. This isn't the kind you can see coming. It doesn't show up on radar, and there aren't any warning clouds. It just hits, usually at the cruising altitude where most planes fly. That's why flights over the US and North Atlantic are especially prone to it. Of course, there are other types of turbulence too, like the kind you hit near mountains or during storms. Pilots can usually spot those and steer around them, but clear air turbulence is sneakier, making it way harder to avoid. So, what's behind this increase? The answer points to climate change. Warmer air means stronger, more unpredictable jet streams, which leads to more of that invisible, bumpy air. Experts predict that by 2050, even summer flights could be as turbulent as winter ones used to be. Bottom line, turbulence is a normal part of flying, but it's getting a bit more common and unpredictable. The best thing you can do? Always buckle up, listen to the crew, and try not to worry. Planes are built to handle it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with your travel buddies. And don't forget to subscribe to Trailvia for more travel insights. Safe travels and see you in the next video. This is Trailvia.